Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna go over how to draw Among Us, the blue one. So I'm gonna do a series of these videos of Among Us. I think they're easy, they're very simple, and I think people enjoy them. So if you're a beginner, we're gonna go through this step by step. I need you to grab a marker of any kind and a piece of paper, and we can get started on this. So let's get going on this. One thing I want to actually kind of talk to you about beforehand though is with the marker, please be careful because there's definitely kind of a risk that you might inhale too much of whatever it is that it kind of has. So just be really careful. So anyways, let's get started. Sorry about that. Sorry about the delay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of go down here and go down the back area. So I'm going to pull down this line here and pull down the back. Right here. It's gonna be standing up. Pull across here and pull down. This visor up here. Down here for the left side of the visor. Kind of the bulb section of the front visor. And the bottom of that visor. Okie dokie. Now, yawning, sorry about that guys. Pulling down front of his body here. Pull down all the way to the front leg. I'm gonna wrap that around. Down here the leg, up, inward, and we're gonna have this other leg right here meet up with that. Then I'm gonna go over here and find the arm. The arm is gonna be, you can start, the top part of the arm starts around the mid part of the visor. Down. Alrighty, like so. Then I'm gonna thicken the lines through this entire drawing here. I just need it to be thicker because I want it to look kind of more like the animation from the game. Kind of thickening around everywhere. Also, don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be posting 3 videos every weekday, and so it's going to be like 12 to 15 videos a week. I usually post Monday through Thursday. I think I'm going to start posting Friday as well. I'm not totally sure if I'm going to do that yet because I'm so wiped out from Monday through Thursday, but I'm thinking about it. I might try posting Friday all the time. So I usually say like almost every weekday I post 3 times each day. Okay, cool, we have that. So let's get into the blue. I'm gonna be using this Crayola. Well, first thing is let's color that visor. I colored it last time, but I thought it was too dark. I'm gonna use these two, the Crayola brand. Blue, I would actually prefer, you should use a light blue, but I'm just gonna use this strong blue. It's gonna be pretty strong though. And then there's this gray. The gray actually comes out a little bit darker than I wanted to. So let's go into the gray first. I'm just gonna go almost like an L shape. So you're gonna put that L shape in the visor, and I'm gonna fill in this side right here. And then that's it. That's gonna leave a shine there. So now the blue is gonna cover up the entire character. Just be aware that it's gonna be really strong. So let me show you what I mean. Gonna be pretty strong. I almost wish it was lighter, it's just not. So I'm gonna go through this and try to do just one pass because I think the more I put into it, the darker it gets. So if I do one pass, that should definitely be okay. It should work out. So I'm just gonna do one flat pass, and I'm gonna go as flat as I want. Normally what I do is I make everything as moist as I can. And that kind of, you know, it makes it all read as one when it dries, because it's all wet around the same time. And that's pretty much it. That'll dry out, and then that should be relatively flat when it dries. But right now it looks, actually looks all right right now on camera. All right, that is pretty much it. That is the blue version of Among Us. Another way to do this, if you don't want like that kind of look, you can grab a colored pencil and color it in with that. The blue colored pencil is obviously much lighter than this. That's it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. I am going to talk a little bit about some announcements. Number one, please share the video if you did like the video. You know, like when you share the video, it kind of brings a lot of energy to the channel, and it definitely kind of brings a spirit to the channel that I really love. Another thing is, if you like Among Us, definitely let me know what you think in the comment section. I reply to every single comment. That's a really big thing. And that's kind of really it. If you're also looking for different tutorials, I put playlists in the description. That's another thing. Check out the description. I work pretty hard on that description. It's not just like a normal thing. I work pretty hard to try to put some stuff into that. But yeah, definitely check that out. And that is it. Thank you so much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll talk to you soon.